Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Freshchat for real-time customer support workflows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Freshchat for real-time customer support workflows, start by navigating to the Freshchat website. Sign up or log in to your Freshchat account. Once logged in, access the dashboard where you will see various options. Look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol on the bottom left corner. Click on Settings to open the configuration options. Next, locate the Channels section in the Settings menu. In the Channels section, find the option for Web Messenger. Click on Web Messenger to begin the setup process. You will see an option to customize your widget's appearance. Choose the colors, position, and welcome messages that match your branding. After customizing, copy the provided installation code. Now, open your website's HTML source code. Paste the installation code just before the closing /body tag of your website. Save the changes to your website's code. Return to your Freshchat dashboard. Click on Automations in the left sidebar. Set up automated messages to greet visitors when they land on your site. Customize the triggers based on user behavior, such as page visits or inactivity. Next, go to Team in the sidebar. Invite team members by entering their email addresses. Assign the appropriate roles for each team member according to their responsibilities. Once your team is set up, navigate back to the dashboard. Test the chat feature on your website to ensure it's functioning correctly. Engage in a live chat session to familiarize yourself with the interface. Provide agents with access to helpful resources and FAQs for quick responses. Encourage team members to practice responding to common queries using the Freshchat interface. Regularly monitor performance metrics in chat analytics for continuous improvement. Now you are ready to provide real-time customer support using Freshchat. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.